2005 Nissan 350z. What we have done on it for you, gentlemen and ladies. Still got the stock catalytic converters. Then it comes to a factory Y. Then we left the resonator on it. You didn't want it too loud. Then we cut that off over there. The original muffler and everything right there. It comes at a single huge muffler. And we run 2 1/4 pipe into 2.5 inch Y pipe and 2.5 inch pipe on each side to 4 inch tips. One here and one here. That's how you got to do it. And there's the original muffler that came off of it. Big muffler. There it is. When it's on the ground, you will not see anything but the tips. I'll let you guys hear it in a minute. That sounds good. It's not too loud. It's perfect. Looks good and it sounds good. Come get you some. And it's a stick shift too, standard.
All right, we're on the inside of the 350Z, and this is what it sounds like from the inside of the cabin. Wonderful sound. Oh yes.
Alright guys, we're about to install this INVIDIA high performance exhaust system on a 2007 Nissan 350z. Here's the part number 0298. It's an INVIDIA model number Nissan from 02 to 08 350z N1 exhaust. Hope you guys like the sound once it's done. Let us know. 7 Nissan 350z. This is the original exhaust on it. We're about to take it off. There's the muffler, 2 tips. About to take it off and put an INVIDIA high performance exhaust system. There it is in the packaging still. Let us know what you guys think. Hope you like it. Okay guys, here's the system we installed. It's called an INVIDIA catback exhaust. Polished stainless steel. There's the sticker on it, INVIDIA. Really nice system. Bolt-on system. 350Z 2007. Turn it on and let you guys hear it in a second. On the stock catalytic converters. There's the first one, there's the second one. Sounds good. Whoa. 2007 350Z Nissan. Came out really nice. Dude, that sounds sick. 2007 Nissan 350Z. What we did on it, still got the stock converters, one here and one here. Then it's got a factory white pipe. Then we put an aftermarket white pipe on it. Then we true dualed it after that, or run duals, into 4-inch tips. Right there and right there. That's how you dual them when you want to take the resonator out of them. One there, one there. I'll let you guys hear it in a minute. There it is. This one's got the resonator and the muffler delete. Let your neighbor say something now. G35 Infinity coupe with a MOTORDYNE-TDX system, catback system. Original cats with a MOTORDYNE catback system. Hope you guys like it. Let us know in the comments what do you guys think about it and how you like the sound. Beautiful system with blue flame tips. There's the MOTORDYNE logo. Both on the mufflers. Makes it almost a true dual system. Beautiful. Polished aluminum. Stainless steel. Hope you guys like it. Infiniti G35. Really deep. 2008 Infiniti G35. Still got the stock converters there and there. Then we did something really nice on it. We did 2 1/4 all the way back with a 2 1/4 X pipe to equalize exhaust scavenge. 2 Flow FX Flowmasters. Then 2 1/4 all the way back into 4-inch blue flame tips. Right there and right there. There it is. If you guys want the X pipe or the Flowmaster FX or the tips, you can see the link in the description. Hope you guys like it. That's how you guys get them true dualed all the way back. Infiniti G35S. Really nice car. Came out really beautiful. Go ahead. Again. Let you guys hear the sound decibels. Go ahead. About 106. Not too bad at all. Those Flow FXs sound really nice. And in about 30 days they get more compact. They break in. Can even sound even better. Gets deeper. What you guys hear on the inside? It's not the 2500. G35S.